By enabling HDMI-CEC or eARC on your Toshiba Fire TV, you'll be able to use a soundbar or control other HDMI devices' power and volume. Here's how to turn on your Toshiba Fire TV's HDMI-CEC feature. To enable CEC, from the home screen, go right to the settings cogwheel, then go down and open Display and Sounds. Scroll down on the list and enter HDMI-CEC Device Control. Now you can enable One Touch Play to allow automatically or always ask. Then turn on HDMI ARC or eARC that's used by audio devices like soundbar. If you want all your devices to turn off and turn on with your TV, enable Power Control. And you can also turn on Remote Control Pass-Through, and this will allow you to navigate other HDMI devices like a console just by using your Fire TV remote, which can get you out of sticky situations. And that's all you need to do. Hope you found this useful, and I'll see you around.